Will your next therapist be a human or an AI chatbot? Will brain scans one day read your emotions before you even feel them? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're looking ahead to the future of psychology, exploring how AI, neuroscience, and the digital age are reshaping the way we understand the human mind. AI and digital psychology. Artificial intelligence is already stepping into psychology. AI chatbots are being tested as mental health companions, offering 24/7 support. Social media algorithms analyze your behavior to predict what you'll click, watch, or buy. Of course, this raises big questions. Can AI ever truly understand human emotions? And how do we balance convenience with privacy? Neuroscience, reading the brain. Advances in brain imaging are letting scientists peek into the brain in ways that were science fiction just a few decades ago. Imagine detecting depression or anxiety early through brain scans, or even boosting memory using neurostimulation. The brain is still the most mysterious organ, but neuroscience is giving us tools to unlock it like never before. The digital age and mental health. As we live more of our lives online, psychology faces new challenges: digital addiction, cyberbullying, and even questions about virtual reality. Does spending hours in VR change how we see ourselves in real life? The future psychologist may not just work in clinics, they might work alongside tech companies, schools, and even governments to help societies adapt to these changes. Why it matters. The future of psychology isn't just about gadgets and data, it's about keeping the human element at the center. Technology will evolve, but people will always need connection, empathy, and meaning. So here's the takeaway. Psychology's future is a blend of science, technology, and humanity. AI, neuroscience, and the digital world will bring amazing opportunities, but also new responsibilities. And in our next episode, we'll step into a powerful applied field: sports and performance psychology, how athletes, artists, and even students use mental strategies to reach peak performance. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, the future of psychology isn't just about predicting behavior, it's about shaping a healthier, more connected world.